everyone, I hope you are having a great day today. My name is Nicole and my channel is Cook for the Soul. Today I prepared one of my favorite things to eat, which is crepes. I can eat them for breakfast, I can eat them for lunch, and I can eat them for dinner practically any time of the day. This recipe is my favorite recipe for crepes. I've been making them the same way for years now. And they just come out so soft and they just melt in your mouth. I absolutely love them. I made 7 in total, but 2 are already gone. So if you're interested how I make these beautiful melt in your mouth crepes, continue watching. Thank you so much.